Hello children, how are you? We are learning English. My English book 2 for standard 2. It's your first page of your book. Activity 1.2. Activity time. Say please. Please sit down. Please stand up. Turn around. Please hop on one leg. Hop on two legs. Teacher use the word please. Please sit down. Look at the animation video. Please sit down. Please stand up. Look at the animation video. Please stand up. Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Please hop on one leg. Please hop on one leg. Look at the animation video. Please hop on one leg. Hop on two legs. Hop on two legs. Look at the animation video. Yes, hop on two legs.